Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily. Today we have a special guest, Paul. Hi, Paul. Paul, today's topic is how to talk about the news in English. Are you ready?
Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. Today I want to talk about the news and how to talk about it in English. This morning, I bought a newspaper. Yes, a real paper one. Not on my phone. I like to hold it in my hands and read it while I drink my coffee. It feels nice and calm. Reading the news is good for learning English, but sometimes it's hard. The news has long words and fast talking. Don't worry, I have a simple way to help. It's called the 5 W's. They are 5 questions that help you understand any story. They are what, where, when, who, and why. Let's see how they work. What means what happened? Example, a new park opened. Where means where did it happen? In the city center. When means when did it happen? Last Saturday. Who means who was there or who did it? The mayor. Why means why did it happen? Because children need a place to play. Now, let's put them all together. The mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday. Because that's a full news story. And it's easy when you use the 5 W's. There's one more thing. What it means. It means families can have fun outside. That connects the story to real life. You don't need to understand every word in the news. Just look for the 5 W's. Pictures can help too. If you see a fire truck, the story is probably about a fire. Let's practice. Here's a funny headline. Surfing dog wins big prize in California. Okay, let's use the 5 W's. What? A dog surfed. Where? In California. When? Yesterday afternoon. Who? The dog. His name is Max. Why? To win a big prize. Now the full story. Yesterday afternoon in California, Max the dog surfed to win a big prize. That's a real story and very funny. It also means Max is a clever dog. You can use the 5 W's for any story, funny or serious. Start with topics you enjoy. I like football, so I read football news. It's easier because I already know the game. When you talk to your friends, try to start with easy phrases like, "Did you hear about the surfing dog?" Or, "I read an interesting story today." If you don't understand something, ask, "What happened?" "Who won?" Or, "Why?" The 5 W's help you understand and talk about the news. They make learning English simple and fun. So tomorrow morning, I'll have my coffee, my newspaper, and my 5 W's notebook. That's my new plan. Thank you for listening. Keep reading, keep practicing, and keep talking. See you next time. Bye.